Here we have a 2019 Kia Sedona LX. This one has the 3.3 liter V6 engine and just over 40,000 kilometers. For the interior, we have your controls for your power folding mirrors, your locks and your windows, a large storage compartment along the bottom of the door panel. Interior is a nice two-tone combination with cloth seats. The driver's seat is power operated with the switches at the bottom there. Kia has 40,627 kilometers on the odometer. Off to the side here, we have your controls for your gauge cluster illumination, your traction control, and your gas cap release. Steering wheel, we have your Bluetooth and your stereo controls on this side, with your gauge cluster and cruise control on the other. Stereo has AM and FM radio, also has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto with USB and auxiliary inputs. And you'd also find your backup camera there with the rear sensors giving you the audible warning as well. Below that, we have your climate control, controls the front and rear climate. Below that, we have your inputs for USB, auxiliary, and a 12-volt input. Vehicle is an automatic transmission. Below that, you'll find your buttons for the heated seats and steering wheel, your parking assist, and your eco mode there. For the center console, we have a little removable pocket for sunglasses or additional storage. And you get a nice big center console in there. Just gonna put this back. And at the back, you have two more cup holders for either front or rear passengers. Overall, interior is in pretty good condition. Sedona comes equipped with 17-inch factory alloy wheels. Exterior of the vehicle is finished in a nice silver color. The rear windows are tinted for privacy. You do get your roof rails at the top that are the same color as the body. Rear doors are sliding. You do get your four-wheel disc brakes as well. And towards the back of the vehicle here. And to access the rear compartment, you just pull on the handle underneath the Kia emblem. Opens right up. You do get a really deep storage space in the back here, and you are able to fold the rear seats into that space if you're wanting more of a flat level storage as well. For the rear interior of the Kia Sedona, you have plenty of legroom and headroom for the second row passengers. The front seats also have pockets on the back of them for additional storage. The center console has a little cubby just in the middle there, and a hidden compartment right there. And then for the climate control for the rear, you can control that by the little panel on the roof here, but that's only on the passenger side. You wouldn't find one on the driver's side, as you see. The middle seat is also an armrest. You pull the lever here, drops down nice and easy. You get two cup holders and a little storage area. And then for access to the third row seating, you pull the lever located here, and the whole seat lifts forward, giving you nice and easy access to the third row seating. And that was the 2019 Kia Sedona LX. If you're interested in this vehicle, you can go to parkmazda.ca to fill out the form to book your test drive. When you come down, we can get you a $25 Visa gift card or 50 Air Miles reward miles. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.